this ALPHACAM tech tip, we're going to be learning how to quickly shift geometry between layers. So as you can see, as I expand the layers down in our layers tree, we've got an awful lot of geometries here. So first thing I'm going to do, just to make this easy for us to see how we're going to manipulate this, I'm going to quickly draw a rectangle just anywhere on screen. And then what I'm going to do is, if I come into my geometry, I can actually click and drag that single geometry and drop it on a layer. If I just toggle this on and off now, you can see it's hidden the geometry on that group layer. Problem is, you can see here we've got an awful lot of geometries, and this would take a lot of time. So what we can do to speed this process up is right click on the layer we want to use, make it active. If we go to the edit to the change command, we can change from old layer to active user layer. And now we can go through and pick the geometries that we want by windowing, by single selection. If I then right click, it then assigns those geometries to the active layer. If I turn that layer on and off, you can now see we've regrouped them.